Welcome to TJsRC, everybody. Thanks for being here. Today I just want to make a couple of quick shout outs, as well as updating everybody on a secret project we've been working on the channel. Ben from Buy It, Break It, Fix It messaged me a few weeks ago and asked if I'd like to participate with the Operation 11Charlie RC giveaways. He told me that he would be sending out some 3D printed scale items that I could paint up any way I want and then send off to 11Charlie RC, and then in future RC giveaways that he does, he would include these items. I said, that sounds awesome. I'd love to participate. So he sent out the items, and then I went to work on getting them painted up. Before I show you those though, let me tell you a little bit about what Operation 11Charlie is. For those of you that aren't aware, the cool thing about 11Charlie RC is that they use the RC hobbies to support our military veterans. After serving some intense years in the military, coming back to civilian life and having a hobby that you can easily jump into can be really helpful and beneficial. So what 11Charlie does is they give away RC crawler trucks and everything that a guy would need to participate in the hobby, as well as helping these guys with whatever they may need to get started. If they don't have any experience with RCs at all, showing them how it works, helping them get started, even taking them out and running together with the trucks. So I was excited to be able to participate. First thing I did when I got the items from Ben to paint up was order me some paint pens, because I have such a limited experience painting, well, anything, that I didn't really have anything to use. So I just found a cheap set of paint markers on Amazon, ordered them up, and you can see here what happened. This is the very first one I painted. I did kind of a standard color scheme just because I wasn't really sure what to do. Put a little leaky spot in there. Who knows what that stuff is? Doesn't really have a label. And I stained the top to look like some stuff that was in there leaked out, and stained the paint. The paint from these markers isn't very durable, so I ended up coating all the pieces in some kind of a clear lacquer or clear something. I clear coated all of them to help so that paint's not easily scratchable. This was the second piece I did. I ended up Googling 50-gallon drums just to get an idea of what kind of color schemes are on real life ones, and then just kind of made it my own. And with the jerry cans, I painted up red and put the yellow lid on there, but then this one I kind of tried to do like a rusted look to the can. It didn't turn out very good because I think it's too glossy. If I had found some kind of a clear coat that was less glossy, it might have looked better. But hey, for my first time trying to paint up some seriously scale looking items, I think they turned out pretty good. And I'm excited to be able to participate with these guys. So this week I will be getting some of these in the mail off to 11Charlie, and then in one of his future giveaways, he will include some of these scale items with the truck that he gives out to some lucky veteran. So if you're interested in seeing what 11Charlie is all about, I'll put a link in the description to his YouTube channel. They do live streams every week talking about what they're up to, what they've been doing, the giveaways. They've got some clips on there of the actual giveaways. One of his recent videos was gathering a bunch of the veterans that they'd given trucks to, brought them all together, and just had a fun time off-roading the little tiny trucks. That was pretty neat to see. And I'll also put a link in the description to Ben's channel, Buy It, Break It, Fix It, because he's the guy that got me involved on this. Thank you so much, Ben. I appreciate it. It was a lot of fun. Thanks for being here for this short video today. This is TJsRC. We'll see you next time.